here is an overview of our first summative project. This is called the Elemental blog post or Elements collection. As you know, I am a checklist person, so I find that this checklist is really helpful, and I'll print this off for you guys for tomorrow. But we have 7 elements: line, shape, form, texture, value, color, space. We learned about each one of those. And for each element, each of the 7 elements, you're going to find a photograph on Google Arts and Culture. It's linked here. And you are also going to take a picture. Today, because I'm not there and you probably are not in the classroom, I'm going to have you start off by finding your pictures. So Google Arts and Culture is an amazing website. There's a video attached to this assignment about using Google Arts and Culture. But you're going to use Google Arts and Culture to find a photograph that shows each element. And then you are going to describe that element in the photograph using at least one vocabulary word. So there is also a vocabulary list connected to the assignment. So you're going to use at least one vocabulary word to describe line in your line picture, at least one shape vocabulary word to describe the shape in your shape picture, etc. So you are going to take a photograph and find a photograph, and so for each of 7 elements, which means your total will be 14 photographs. Each photograph, one you take and one that you find, you're going to describe the element using at least one vocabulary word. So that would be also 14 sentences, 14 pictures, 14 sentences using at least one vocabulary word in each. You can use the same vocabulary word in each of your, like you might talk about a real line in your photograph you take and real line in a photograph that you find. That's okay, as long as it's appropriate. And I guess that's all I have to say about that. The rubric is here. I will be scoring you on 4 different things. Your overall collection, I'm scoring you on creativity. Your artistic justification, I'm scoring you your knowledge and vocabulary. Your own photographs, I'll score you on composition. And on your Google page, I will be scoring your digital portfolio. You all can read, so I'm not going to tell you, I'm not going to read everything off here, but to tell you what you need to show me for a 3. For creativity, that means that each of your images is appropriate and matches with the element that you choose, so your line picture shows line. A 4 on that would be for creativity. Exceptionally creative would be that you have some sort of theme or cohesion to your collection. So that could be a color. It could be like all pictures of dogs or nature or water. I don't know. But some type of cohesive theme would be a 4 on creativity. Justification, you use appropriate vocabulary with 3 or fewer mistakes. So there's 14 pictures, 14 vocabulary words. So that means you use at least 11 words appropriately and correctly. And a 4 would be that you're making unique or unusual justifications using multiple vocabulary words. And so there are examples on the classroom of projects that do that. And then for your photos composition, the photos that you take are clear. I can tell what your subject is. That would be a 3. A 4 is that you're mindfully using like compositional strategies. You're thinking about lighting. The pictures are, visually compelling. And again, they're examples of this on the classroom. You can always ask me to, and we can look at your photographs together. And then Google page, a 3 is that I can read it. And so that's pretty easy 3. A 4 would be that you're making a visually interesting page. So you've mindfully laid it out, and again, examples on the classroom. So that is the overview of our project. The overview of the rubric. There is a checklist, so you check, and then you will be able to know that you're done with the project when you put checks in all those boxes, and also a vocabulary list here. So all of these things are connected to the classroom assignment. Use your resources, please, and thank you, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow.